Hey guys, today I want to do a quick video about decommoditizing cigars. Now, the word decommoditize, I don't think it's a real word, but people use it all the time and you get it. A commodity is something, for those of you who don't know, that's okay. A commodity is something that is, the tobacco itself is a commodity. Oranges are a commodity. Coffee beans can be a commodity, okay? And so up until now, the large brands, the large buyers have treated cigars as a commodity. And so my job here has always been to find the best cigars, right? That's what my goal has been. Whether you're subscribed or not, I still want to finish that goal, right? And that is going like this, all right? And it starts with brands, goes to factories, and then it goes to the master blenders who are truly the masters. And we're finding out as we get there that a lot of them own their own farms and factories, okay? And I believe that I have handpicked the top 3 to 5 people in this industry. And 2022 is going to be the best year of cigars any of us have ever seen. And even if you hate me, even if you hate Privada, you need to get on board with these cigars because it's going to be something you don't want to miss. All right, all the passion, everything is at a fever pitch right now. They see what we're trying to do and they're like, I've been waiting for you. Multiple of some of the best people, when you talk to tobacco, oh no, that guy, this one, oh no, these are those guys, the wizards, the legends, the true master blenders. They have seen enough and they know they want to be involved. And that's truly, truly important for cigars because these cigars are not a commodity. And as this becomes popular and popularizes in the industry, the larger companies, the Cigars Internationals, the JRs, the famous, they're going to follow suit. And it's important because it's good for cigars. I don't blame any of these companies how they sell cigars. Oh, a bundle with a ashtray for $30. Like that's what that generation wanted. Our generation is different. We want the best of the best. And it doesn't mean we need to pay $70 more. It means it's like $1 or $2. Just that extra little cushion helps these guys give us their best tobacco. And so whether you realize it or not, if you support Privada, if you are a member of the club, if you're a member of Farm Rolled, if you shop in our online shop, and by the way, these are free now in the shop. Now, if you're a member, you know you're getting this for free in this month's box, okay? But if you're not a member, we still love you. You support us. You want to shop in our shop. Even if it's the first time you shop in our shop, we don't care. That's the community we're building here. Loving, giving, caring, and we care about the people that are making our products and getting the best cigars. That's it. So, whether you realize it or not, you are helping decommoditize cigars. And I call it the craft cigar movement just for short. I didn't want to call it that because of craft beer or whatever, but it's just, it is what it is. I'm not going to, redo the dictionary here. It's craft. We're getting down to a craft product now. It's no longer commoditized. It's no longer just about a brand name. It's about the people who make the products. And that's what Privada is about, and that's the legacy that we are going to leave behind, is we created this thing. And don't get me wrong, brands, please, there's plenty of room for everyone. Not everyone's gonna subscribe to our mantra here and our mission, right? There's always gonna be another market, so don't get mad at me. I'm not cutting anyone out. If you've supported Privada, we're always gonna support you. The online shop will always have your products. I'm not here to cut people out. What I'm saying is we want to know more about the product, and all this undisclosed shit, beat it. I don't care if it's your favorite brand. There's a couple of big brands out there that do this undisclosed thing. Nah, man. If you won't give props to the people who helped you make that product, we're done. That's it. Okay, I'm not gonna take the time to remove your product from my shop, but over time, if I see that that's your style of business, I won't carry your product. The people who make this stuff deserve props for what they do. So, keep this really quick. Johnny, what do you think about my...
Yeah, I want one.
Yeah, you can't have one. How about that?
I'm gonna go to the shop right now.
Okay, they're not there. No, I don't know it. Hopefully these will be available online when you see this video. But just know, 20, all 20 of them. Just know that that is what we're doing here. And it's going to be from this point further. We've always had great cigars, but it's like between the fact that the cigars are about to get even better and the your palate has gotten better. If you've followed me along this journey, even for 6 months, you've grown. You've read the tasting notes. You've read the pairing notes. You've tried some of these things. You smoked it and looked for some of... You've gotten better at this. You can pick out a good stick now, okay? And we are truly under the wings of the OG legends of this business, some of whom you know and love and have made a ton of money doing the commodity thing, but want to be remembered for something better than that. And some of them you've never heard of, and they've made some of your favorite cigars. That's where we're at. So, hashtag decommoditize, hashtag weareprivada, hashtag Johnny Taquitos, hashtag PSSITA. There's other things I wanted to say today, but I don't know what. And I love you guys. I hope you're having a great week. Peace.